Meet Christmas lights, the newest design of ZBOLE, the timeless art of origami. Unique geometric 3D Christmas tree lampshade. Solid wood material with laser cutting. Polishing, sanding, oil finishing, and assembly. The metal star is both a decorative accent and a switch. 7 adjustable light, stretchable metal structure, flexible shaping and adaptability, touch star at the top, lights instantly illuminate. Christmas tree light design combines creativity and practicality. Every detail is thoughtfully crafted. Innovation always breaks through in adversity. Adjustable to different heights. 7 vibrant colors. Suitable for holiday and home decoration. Type C, rechargeable lithium battery, 4. 6 hours of runtime, large and small sizes, classic black walnut and beechwood base. Durable, resistant to breakage and waterproof lampshade. Creating a unique sense and cozy atmosphere. Creating beauty in different settings.